As I say that, I realize I bit off probably more than I can chew.
Hey, I'm Issa, and I'm learning to convert this van all by myself while traveling out of it as much as possible.
So I have a new camera. My other one broke and she lived a good life. I'm sad to see her go. I looked at fixing her, trading her in, selling her, and unfortunately, there's just no value to her. So I still have some lenses that are cute. It's a little Lumix camera. I don't know what to do with a broken camera with great-ish lenses. So I got this. I've been up since about 3:30, and that's when I started working on the van, which is why we have the headlight, because even though I have those lights in the van, that new shelf I built makes it dark. So come take a look what I'm doing.
And with a broken camera, it means I also lost a lot of footage, so you're getting vertical shots, my friend. In today's van build project, we are installing ceiling slats for the bedroom only. This is 1/4 inch tongue and groove pine, and I am just screwing it into the slats that I'd done previously. Then I also had to custom cut some to the other side and then put them up around that roof hatch. Now, at this time, this is still the broken roof hatch screen covering it, but we'll get to that. Here's how we're looking so far. I am so in love with this. This is the first time it really started to feel like a home. I actually laid under here for a while just imagining what life was going to be like eventually. Once the appreciation was finished, I went ahead and took everything down and sanded it all very nice and smooth until moving on to painting it with clear coat. I think I did 4 coats of clear coat on the back of all of these. Now, I would actually recommend doing the clear coat last. The reason for that is because the stain on the other side, any clear coat that dripped over, the stain wouldn't take to. So since I was staining the visible part, I would recommend staining first and then clear coat, because it doesn't matter if stain's on the other side, right? You're not going to see that. That's going to be the part that's screwed into those ceiling slats that we had put in previously. And since I'm just trying to get projects done, I used some of that hardboard that I had, made a template for my bump out, carried that over, ended up cutting out the template onto the hardboard. Of course, I also insulated the bump out. Then I used my jigsaw to make sure I cut the template that was already marked, dry fitted that a few times, and then also used multiple coats of clear coat on both sides of the hardboard. And here's how the hardboard looked after it was in place. Now on to the next project. I had that prolapse screen for the roof hatch, and they did send me a replacement. The company I bought it from did, at least. Came with instructions, and it was a pretty easy fix, although the springs were a little annoying to handle and get back where they needed to be, and I got it up onto the ceiling. I still don't love this thing, but it serves its purpose. It's not perfect, but at least it blocks the sun when I need it.
I'm gonna try my lights for the first time. Please work, please work, please work. Yes! Okay, okay, I was actually really nervous that was gonna happen. Woo! They're both working. Okay, good. Now we can put them up. Now we can work in the dark. At least in half of the van.